Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone. You can block number if you add it to your contacts by selecting it here, then tap here and tap block numbers. And you can also block number by just going to the contacts list, then tap in here, go to the settings, then go to the block numbers. And here you can add a number which you want to block. Just enter it here, tap block, and it will never call you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.